your ghost again. But that's not unusual. It's just that the moon is full and you decided to call. Here I sit, and on the telephone, hearing a voice I'd known a couple of light years ago, headed straight for a fall. Well, we both know what memories can bring. They bring diamonds and rust. Yes, we both know what memories can bring. They bring diamonds and rust. Now I see you standing all around with snow in your hair. Now we're smiling out the window at Tree Hotel over Washington Square. Our breath comes out white clouds, angels and hangs in the air. Speaking strictly for me, we both could have died then and there. Yeah. Now you're telling me you're not nostalgic. Then give me another word for it. You who so good with words and at keeping things vague. Well, I need some of that bigness now. It's all come back too clearly. I loved you dearly, but if you're offering me diamonds and rust, I've already paid. Diamonds, diamonds and rust. Diamonds, diamonds and rust. Diamonds, diamonds and rust. I don't want no more diamonds, diamonds and rust. I'll be damned. Here comes your ghost again. But that's not unusual. It's just that the moon is full and you decided to come. Here I sit, hand on the telephone, hearing a voice I know a couple of light years ago, headed straight for a fall. Oh, we both know what memories can bring. Living diamonds and rust. Yes, we both know Miami Hotel on Washington Square. Our breath comes on white clouds, mingles of haze in the air. Speaking strictly to me, we both could have died. And then